Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make something I haven't done for many months. Don't know why. Okay, anyway, this is my favorite dish. I'm going to do chor, pig trotter, pig leg or pork leg vinegar. Okay, so what kind of vinegar we are using now? Many people have many kinds of different recipes or formula, but as a matter of fact, you don't have to complicate yourself because you really only need to get one kind of sweetened dark vinegar, right? This is the sweetened dark vinegar. You can actually go and use any brand that you can find. Yeah, any brand is always fine with me. Appa like to use this brand. So far, it gives me a very satisfactory flavor. So this is approximately 500 ml for each, and the ratio to the water is always 1:1. So as long as after you added the one ratio of sweetened dark vinegar plus one ratio of water, and it can nicely cover all your ingredients, then that is good enough. Okay, so if it's not enough, you probably want to add a little bit more from the other bottle. I have already opened up one bottle here. This is 500 ml. I will also add 500 ml of water as well. Yeah, and here I have 1 kg of front pork leg, and this is actually half of it. Now, some people ask Appa, should I be using front or rear? Yeah, or the one behind? No right or wrong. The one behind is smaller, usually around 2 kg, more lean. The one behind is bigger, usually around 3 kg and more fatty. So which one you like, you decide. And usually I will buy the whole pork leg and ask them to cut into half. Yeah, so this is actually half of the front leg. And then hard-boiled egg. Yeah, put some hard-boiled egg inside. This is going to make it very, very flavorful. Very nice later. And you don't have to make hard-boiled egg or not. Usually what I will normally do is I'll put inside a pot, fill up the pot with some water, put the egg inside and let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Take it out, put it inside some cold water and peel off. Very easy. And I have some old ginger here. How much old ginger to put? The more the merrier, really up to you. This is approximately 1 bowl of old ginger. You can actually leave the skin on. The skin is very good. And also bruise it a little bit. And usually we use old ginger for this particular dish, okay? And if you use it for confinement, you probably want to use double the amount of ginger that I'm using right here. And to give it some enhanced flavor, I added 2 pieces of the seeds dried chili. And also one more thing, which is this, about 2 tablespoons of rock sugar, right? So because don't forget, later we will be adding the water, yeah? So it will actually dilute the sweetened dark vinegar. You will want to put in some rock sugar to balance it again. And this dish is super easy. Blanch. This is already blanched. I will teach you how to blanch right after this. And then put everything inside a cooker and cook it. That's it. So let's start blanching. Do not skip this step. This is very important to remove the gaminess of your pork leg. Yeah. So this is the pork leg here. Cold water. Yeah. Prepare 1 pot of cold water. Then you put in the pork leg, which is washed. You can actually put in a little bit of ginger and also rice wine to help further remove the gaminess. My rice wine is still new. Right, then next step, very simple. Just raise the heat until it is boiling and let it boil for about 1 minute or 2 and take it out and wash. That's it. Very simple, but extremely important step. Yeah, do not skip. So as you can see, it is now boiling for about 1 to 2 minutes. All this brown color, these are called scums. Yeah, this is actually the excessive blood that come out from the bones itself. So basically, the process is ready. We can just take it out and wash the pork leg. Then our blanching process is done. Very simple, but very important. Okay, just going to wash it. Wash it one by one thoroughly, and then it's done. So next thing, you want to heat out a wok, but today my pressure cooker actually has an open lid cooking function, so I will just use it. Heat out the wok, and also then we want to put in the ginger and also the chili, dried chili. We saute a bit to take away some of the moisture from the ginger. This method will actually make the ginger even more fragrant, more aromatic. So we will saute this for probably about 20-30 seconds before we continue. We'll come back shortly. Okay, right after that, wow, very fragrant. We can actually put in the blanched pork leg. Adjust it a little bit, and we are going to add in the sweetened dark vinegar, 500 ml, and also 500 ml of hot water. Ooh, just nice to cover everything actually, meaning I don't have to open a second bottle. Usually if I use the front leg, yeah, then that is the time I need to open second bottle, because the leg behind is actually heavier. Usually about 1.5 kg for that. This one only about 1 kg. Just nice lah. And not forgetting our 2 tablespoons of rock sugar. Close it and off the open lid cooking, and I'm going to choose tendon and let it pressurize cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. Then it's done. Very simple, right? But I assure you, it tastes really, really yummy. Alright, this is after the approximately 35 minutes pressurized cooking. You have to understand your pressure cooker, because usually pressure cooker got 3 steps. The first step is to build up the pressure. Second step is the cooking timing. The third step is actually to release the pressure. So this usually pressure cooker will take minimum 15 minutes to 30 minutes to release the pressure. So while they are releasing the pressure, they are also cooking. So, but I don't want it to cook so long. Therefore, I actually manually release the pressure. This is my own preference, and because I want to control the kind of texture I wanted. All right. So the pressure has already been fully released. Then we can now open it up. Whoa. Smells so good. Beautiful. See how jiggly is it? Let me show you. Alright, so here's our very simple chor, but it tastes really good. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.